Welcome to this Fixit channel, and of course this is a quick video to talk a little bit about the next version of Windows Spring Careers Update and talk about a few questions that I've been asked that are the regular questions that people will ask me. So, first question, what is the Spring Careers Update? Windows 10 being an operating system that is updated regularly, typically twice a year with a new version if you want, is adding features all the time. So the Spring Careers Update is that next version of Windows 10. And to answer question number 2, when will it be available to everybody? April 10th, 2018. In a few weeks from now, there will be general release to those that are on Windows 10 Fall Careers Update or older versions. You'll be able to upgrade to this new version. It's going to roll out in waves. That means some of you will see it immediately. Others are going to see it later. Is it free? No, it's not. Windows 10 is not free, but as the latest news that I know, if you have a Windows 7 or Windows 8 valid product key, you actually can upgrade for free. It still works. So if you're thinking of doing it, well, why not? Another question, is it stable or should I wait? Look, I've updated my main machine. I've got 3 computers running this version right now. All I can say, I've got pretty much no glitches. One little thing in the Defender, Windows Defender, which is not a problem. It's just a wrong way of reporting something. So it's not really a problem. It works and seems to work really fine. And from the reports that I get from my channels, where a lot of you have decided to upgrade your machines, I've had no negative reports. Everybody seemed to say, "Yep, upgraded fine. Everything's working great." Question: will my software that I use in the previous version of Windows 10 still work? Will my hardware that I use in Fall Careers Update or previous version of Windows 10 still work? Yes, absolutely. There's really, I can't say anything that would stop working after this version if it was already working within Windows 10 fine. So it should, in 99.9% of the cases, be okay. Now you're going to say, well, that's not 100%. Yeah, there could be that very, very unique thing that they've decided not to support. But, I can't see really what could be non-supported or not work anymore, honestly, with this version of Windows 10. So does it slow down the PC? No, in fact, I have the impression it's even a little faster. So that's kind of nice, and actually shows that each version of Windows 10, even though it has new features, is actually well built. It, typically is pretty much the same speed, if not a little faster than the previous version. Is it big? Is it a big download? Yeah, well, it's a typical Windows download for the most part, between 3 and 4 gigabytes of download to get it. So, pretty typical of usual Windows. But it hasn't really gotten that much bigger over time. So that's the good news also with that. Will my old PC that runs Windows 10 still run this version? For the most part, yes. There are sometimes, features or things, the older computers or tablets that they kind of say, well, this is not compatible with. But here, what we see in this version is that it pretty much works with everything that already worked with Windows 10. So there shouldn't be really a lot of people left off here, if at all. So that's pretty much what I have to say and answer in the questions that some of the people and the viewers have been asking. You enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.